Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Jura 9 espresso machine. Now for this machine we just did a tune-up, replacing the O-ring from the brew group and re-cleaning the shower screen of the brew group itself, which means we have to disassemble the whole machine or to actually get in there. And once we did that, we disassembled the machine and we just make sure everything's running fine and smoothly. So starting with one cappuccino, we're gonna test it out. Then we're gonna do a long coffee on the spout and we'll conclude the test. We don't have the siphoning hose unfortunately, so we're gonna just let the steam run a little bit like that. As you can see, having a certain pressure inside, really the temperature. We're gonna stop a little bit short because we don't have the siphoning hose. Infusion right there. Coffee coming out, good color, good cream as well. We have enough coffee, good. We have enough water, perfect. We can do a long coffee, which is gonna probably fill the whole cup over here. Good water flow coming from the spout. Excellent crema. Good color. No leaks from the spout or anything like that. And there you have it, Jura Espresso C9 working once again. So thank you for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day, and thanks for watching.